Begin by turning off the power and unplugging the power cable from the Smart System 5. Rip off any excess printer paper. Remove printer cover with a flathead screwdriver. Remove printer paper from the printer mechanism and pull the printer paper roll out. There are two screws that need to be unscrewed. One is under the printer paper roll and the other is under the bottom lip of the front side of the instrument. Pull the cover off and place it beside the instrument. In order to remove the printer mechanism, we'll have to remove the printer board. Start by disconnecting all the cables: ground cable, ribbon cable, power cable, ground cable, another ground, keypad cable, display cable, and display power cable. The display cable is a bit tricky, but all you need to do is pull the white tab up to unlock the cable, then pull the cable out. Once all the cables have been removed, remove the 4 screws in each corner from the board. Now pull out the board. You may need to rock it side to side slightly. Once the board is pulled out, loosen the 2 screws. Don't completely take them out as we'll need them for guidance when installing the new printer mechanism. Push the printer mechanism through the top cover and pull the printer mechanism out. Grab your new printer mechanism. At this point, you can remove and replace the printer ribbon from the old printer and place it onto the new one, or you could just install a brand new printer ribbon. Feed the printer mechanism through the top, making sure the printer falls in between the 2 screws we loosened earlier. Tighten the screws down gently. Reinstall the printer board back in. Be careful as these holes in the back of the board are where the printer pins go through. Also firmly push down on the middle of the board where the pins are located to ensure the pins are making perfect contact. Screw the 4 screws back in. Reconnect all the cables. The display ribbon cable again is a bit tricky. Pull the tab out and then insert the cable in and push the tab back down to secure it. Place the cover back onto the instrument when all that is done. Screw back in the 2 screws that secure the cover. Plug the power cable back into the Smart System 5 and power on. Install your paper. Make sure the paper roll is assembled, feeding from under. Now we'll feed the paper through. From the main menu, hit 5 for print. Hit the second arrow from the left where it says Form Feed. Hold the printer paper, then help feed and push the button. Now feed the paper back to the printer cover. Final step is to ensure the printer is printing by hitting 1, Sample Results, and hit 1 again, it will begin printing.
Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.